Man, things are crazy, ain't it? It all works out though. Things happen for a reason. Check this out. Remember in class when I used to pass. No say your jokes, so you're hoping you will open up. Look back with a smile and blush. Felt so squeezed and stuck, I guess I had a crush. What puppy love, but because we were so young, nobody believed, including me, that we could be any type of unity. Then we grew up past puberty. After some years, forgot about you and me. Then I see you at the club looking nothing but fly. Bugging, still had the butterflies. Then you took me by surprise, you said hi. Remember me? I almost wanted to lie, but said how could I forget? Are you crazy? Then I looked at you and I was like, baby, 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 oh.
Since you've been gone, I've been here alone, and I was wrong to ever let you go, and now I want you back. I never felt like that. My train's gone off the tracks. How can I get right back inside your world? You are my girl, and no one's gonna stop me from getting next to you. Heaven knows how high I'll fly, do anything to be by your side. Fight the fear, swallow my pride, to have you here, baby. Oh.